We're going to meet Lucy today. This is where Lucy lives. Alright. Lucy! Lucy's got a new boyfriend named Steve. And Steve's got a new girlfriend named Lucy. This is Lucy's original cage or tank, and it says Lucy. And it's really beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. So I've got her in something a little bigger, because of course, you know, she's with her man now. Let's see how they're doing. Guys, they're on their heating pad, under their coat.
Look! Oh, and somebody did a potty.
Oh, sorry, let's get rid of that. There they are. They're so beautiful. Hi, let's get rid of the potty. I'm sorry. Yes. Yeah, we'll just throw that in there for now. Hi, guys.
Lucy, there's Lucy. There's Lucy, and she's with Steve. Sorry. Hi, guys. How's everybody doing? Is everyone warm and cozy? Is everyone warm and... Hi, Lucy. I love you.
I love you. You're so beautiful. So beautiful.
Yes, and where's Steve? Steve, little feller. You guys cuddled up in love. Yes. There's Steve. Steve really loves Lucy. He really loves beautiful Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Such a beautiful girl. She's got her boyfriend with Steve. They're so sweet. I love them so much. Lucy. Lucy. Let's take Lucy out.
Woo, Lucy. Oh, they're looking. Well, I don't want to. They might be copulating. I don't want to. Let's make sure I'm not interrupting. There's no coitus interruptus going on here. Lucy. Let's take a look at Lucy in the sunshine. Here she is. Here's Lucy. She's so beautiful. Look how beautiful she is. Yes, she's such a beauty. Hi, Lucy. Hi. Let's get a better view of Lucy. Yes. Where are you going? No, you can't go under there. That's Lucy. She's so sweet. That's Lucy. She's so beautiful. Beautiful. That's Lucy. Better put her back with Steve. Come on. Lucy, say hi. Lucy. Hi, Lucy. I love you. I love you. I love you, beautiful girl. You beautiful girl. Look at her. She loves Steve. She loves Steve. Steve loves Lucy. Hi, Steve. What are you doing, huh? Look at Steve, so beautiful too. Gotcha. Okay, you guys cuddle up. Cuddle up. I know, let's put you back in bed. Get you back in your bed. Get you back in your gubbies. I love you. And their coat. And that's... put their... They're so good. And that is Lucy and Steve. And that's where they live. And I love them so much. I really love them a lot. That's good. There they are. There they are. There they are. Oh, hi, Mr. Giraffe. Hi. And this is their home. And everything is groovy.